In today's workout, we are doing a plank abs series. And before you tell me that you hate planks, you don't want to do them, listen, planks are one of the best ways to cinch your waist. It targets not only your abs, but your deep core, your transverse abdominus. And that's why we're doing a full plank series today. It's just 10 minutes, okay? So we got this. So starting off, we're going to do a plank hold on the hand. So this is our chance to go over plank form. So you want to make sure your shoulders are stacked over your wrists and your tailbone is tucked, your core is engaged. Your butt should look ugly and clenched. It should not be up like this. Don't arch your back, really tuck that tailbone in. Your feet are together, legs are together. It kind of helps you stay more stable and just really push away from the ground. Spread out your weight through your hands. We got this. So a lot of times wrist pain comes from either being too forward or too back. So make sure you're stacked right on top, so that it's easier on the wrist, especially since we're doing like a full plank series for this routine. Woo! Keep holding. I know your arms are shaking. It's okay. So are mine. Keep holding. 3, 2, 1. Come back down, my ladies. I want to go all the way. You can keep holding this until we go down into our elbows. So for the next 45 seconds, we will be doing an elbow hold plank. This one's a little bit harder because you have less of your arms to use to hold you up. So ready? Get down to your elbows and hold. Remember, remember all the form tips I just told you. So your back is straight from your neck to your tailbone. Arms are shaking, that's fine. You're pushing away from the ground. Your shoulders are down away from your ears and your tailbone is tucked. If you need to come down for a second to your knees, you can do that. Stretch out and get back into plank. We can do this. Hold. Keep holding. 14 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Oh my goodness. Wowzers. That was tough. So now we're going into plank twist. This one is also on the elbows. So get on your elbows here. Remember to keep your back straight throughout the motion. So you're gonna twist your hip one side, other side. So this is really kind of targets the obliques as well. Twist and twist. Let's go. We got this. Whoo. Keep going. You got this. I know our arms are burning. It don't matter, girl, because we are here to get our abs snatched, because summer is not going to know what to do with us. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's keep going. Twist, 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 twist. Let's go. 10 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Y'all know abs are made in the kitchen, which is why I just launched a 14-day meal plan over my app on Daily Thrive with recipes for each day, for each meal that we're having. And there's meal prep there too, so you don't have to cook every day, because who has time for that? You know what I'm saying? All right, now we've got plank shoulder taps. We're getting on our hands now. So for the plank shoulder taps, you want to stay as still as possible without rocking your body too much. So if you find yourself doing this, that's not what we want. We want to stay nice and steady. Your feet are actually wide apart for this one to help you with your stability. You're gonna gently tap one shoulder and switch. Let's go. Come on. Oh my God. Listen, I can tell you right now, my core is weak after having a baby, but we are working on it. Oh, 15 seconds left. Almost there. Oh, come back down. Wow, this is not easy, I will tell you that much right now. Now we got plank climbers. So for the plank climber, we're going one side at a time. You can be on your hands here. So we're not running into it. We're staying in this position. You're gonna bring that knee to the elbow, back. Other side, back. Oh my God, hold up. Oh, because I underestimated this workout. Yes, I did. Come on, keep going. Up. Girl, what the hell? It's all right, we gotta keep going, we gotta keep going. We can do this. Hup. seconds on the clock. Give it all you've got. Oh my God, come back down. Woo. We're gonna take a plank break. We're gonna do some bicycle crunches just to like reset since we're halfway through the routine. Oh, it's to give our shoulders and our wrists a break. Right, when the clock hits, we're gonna go and switch. I want you to speed it up here, okay? So 1, 2, 1, 2, let's go. It's only a 10-minute workout, so we really wanna make sure we burn our abs out. Make the most of our time here. I know you didn't show up today to play around, okay? And take it easy. You clicked on this video because you want to see results, you want to get stronger. Well, the bad news is that it kind of hurts to get there sometimes because like the workouts are hard. But what doesn't challenge you doesn't change you. I know that sounds so cliche, but it is so true. It is so freaking true. Unfortunately. 5 seconds on the clock, let's go. All right, up we go, back to our planks. We have got plank forward shift. So this one is a micro movement, okay? So it kind of targets upper body too, but we do want sculpted arms for summer, I assume. So here, you are going to shift 2 inches forward, 2 inches back. Forward, back. Forward, back. Keeping your back straight the whole time, tailbone tucked. You can do this. Ay, ay, ay. Let's go. Oh my God. Let's go 10 more seconds. We can do it. We can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whose idea was it to do this plank workout? It wasn't me. It wasn't me. That was my alter ego. Now we've got a plank to a pike. So plank to a pike, you're gonna be on your hands here. You're gonna use your abs to send those hips back up into the air. Back down to plank. Hold your exhaling as you come to plank. So inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now listen, there's a difference between driving with your hips and driving with your abs. So I'm not going like this. I'm tucking tailbone, squeezing my abs, and then coming up into this position using my core. Let's go. I'm sorry, gonna exhale on the pike. Okay. Oh my goodness. And now we're gonna finish up with our vacuums. You already know what time it is. The vacuums are what really help you cinch your waist. So you're gonna imagine there's a rope pulling your belly button into your spine like you're trying to fit into a pair of jeans that's way too tight. So inhale, and on the exhale, bring that belly button in and hold. Keep holding. Breathe. So notice how it kind of creates this hollow hold silhouette, I guess you could say. Hold. Release. One more time. So I'm not filling up my lungs with air. I'm not holding my breath. I'm just trying to focus on pulling that belly button in. Keep holding. Do this every single day when you brush your teeth, and let me tell you, you are going to, like, your results are gonna be crazy. So now we're gonna do stomach vacuum on all fours. This is the last thing we're doing in this workout. So here you're working against gravity, which makes it a little bit harder. So on the exhale, you're gonna push that belly button in. Ready? Let's go. Keep holding. Release one more time and hold. come down. Whoo! Wowzers. What a workout. What a freaking workout. Thank you so much for joining me for this plank series today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully your abs are feeling good and snatched. Don't forget to, if you want to track your progress on TikTok from day 1 to day 14, feel free to do that. Tag me at Vicky Justiz Fitness. Actually, I have 2 TikToks, so you can tag my fitness account. And I'm so excited to seeing all of you snatched for summer. Oh! All right, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you at the next routine. Bye.